Hello friends, welcome to Coding by Rex YouTube channel. I am Praveen and in today's video we are going to create a simple interest calculator using Python from scratch. So this is a very simple mathematical formula that was used in bank in 1990s or so. It is used to find the interest amount. Okay. This is also in the portion of grade 7 mathematics also. Let's just do this. Before going to the video, do like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit on the bell icon, and do join the Telegram group. The group link is the description, so do join it. Let's get started. So watch this video until the end. I am having an update on the channel. Let's get started. Open your code editor, either Visual Studio Code or PyCharm, or even you can use the IDLE, the basic code editor. I am using this Visual Studio Code. So let's just see what is meant by simple interest. It is represented as SI equal to PTR by 100. So many people write it as PNR by 100 also. So what does it mean? Principal amount, the initial amount that we invest in the bank, into the time, the number of years it is assigned for us, and the rate of interest, the 5%, 10%, like that, and divide the whole thing by 100. This will give us the simple interest. Let's just do this. First, a welcome message. This is a simple interest calculator. Then first we want the principal amount. Principal equal to float, input, enter the principal amount. So what does this do means, it will take the input value of this as a float or like decimal values. That is used in many applications. Okay, the float is very convenient for us, more than int. Okay, now principal, then what is here after principal amount? It's time equal to this one. We can give in float itself because sometimes it will come as 2.5 years also. Float, input, enter the number of years. Okay, enter the number of years. It also takes the value as float. Then I think next is rate of interest. Then rate is equal to float. This one definitely we should give it as float only, because sometimes they can give it as 12.5%. okay, like now enter the rate of interest. Okay, now we have took the input. For a practice purpose, we are going to do it as a function. Okay, def keyword. So def keyword is used to declare any function in Python. Def simple interest. It should take the values as principal, time, and rate. So I think we can just control X, do control X over there, and from here we can paste this. principal, time and rate. Then principal equal to principal, time equal to time, rate. So I think I am confusing this whole thing. This is my first attempt, so there are some errors in my program. Not errors, a bad way of doing the program. Just Ctrl X and paste it here. Yeah, I think now it should be fine. Now simple interest principal equal to principal, then time equal to time, rate equal to rate. Now what we should do means simple, just simple, okay, simple equal to a bracket over here, principal into time into rate by 100, and we should print the answer. No, I am doing it wrongly. Here just simple come out as this. The simple interest is then we should just give simple interest. Oh, I cannot use this one. Yeah, enter the amount. The amount is 5,000 rupees. Number of years 2 years. The rate of interest 10. Yeah, the positional arguments are missing. Here we should give principal, then time, then rate. I'm going to just run this program and see if it's working. The amount 5,000 to 10. The simple interest is 1,000. Like 5,000 into 10,000 into 10. I think it's 1 lakh. 1 lakh by 100 is 1,000. So the simple interest is 1,000. So this is how the simple interest works. This is the variation 1 of this calculator. There is some 2 or 3 variations like compound interest and more variations I will discuss in the upcoming videos. So that's it for this video. The update is in our channel. Hereafter I will be posting videos based on science, the space and very interesting facts. So stay tuned. I'll put it like a shorts. So that's it for this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, thank you. Keep coding. Bye bye.